How to locate a book in print. If you found a print book that you want to use, the first thing you want to do is check to make sure that it is at the campus that you would like to pick it up at. Then make sure the book is available, and then you want to look at the location of the book. The good news is there's a button that will actually show you where it is located on the floor where it is housed. The highlighted area will show you where it's at. The next thing you want to do is make note of the call number, which is the book address. Reading a call number is a little bit different because you have to read each section independently. The letter line is the HM. The second line you're going to read as a whole number, so 851 is the number, not 8, then 5, then 1, but 851. Then you're going to read the numbers after the decimal point. Same thing there. So when you go to the stacks, look for the HM section and the numbers that correspond, and you'll see we're at the HM. Then look for the 851s. And then when you find that, you're going to look for the G65K. And there you go. Let's make sure that this is the right book. Right title, right author. I can see it right here. So now you have the book that you're looking for. Just head on over to circulation and you can check it out.